All right, it's time for part 4. We're going down Lawnmower to the pump track. We're going to do one time around the pump track, back up to the trailhead. Hope you guys enjoy. This is part 4 of the tour around the shed. So we just came off Huggy Bear, just so everybody remembers, to the left here. So we would have turned left from Huggy Bear to get on where we're about to go down. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of forward space so that you could see. This right here trails back to the parking lot that we always go to hoe down on. So that way, you know, if you wanted to come straight here, that's where you want to park. It's up on Gambrel where the power station is. All right, guys, here we go. I just got through climbing this, so what ended up happening is I messed up my video from the other day from part 4. So those of you that actually pay attention will notice I was in a different shirt today. That's because this is two days later and I'm out making it right, because how are you gonna give a guided tour if you don't do the whole thing? So here we are, making up for Larry, messing up on some video, giving it back to you. Woo! It's a little wet and gross, so sorry if stuff gets on. I will try to clean it whenever I can think about it, or whenever I go through a big puddle like these. For those of you watching the Enduro adventure, the 4 is from the last one, so I'm including 2 in 1. I did a lot of climbing to give this to you guys, so I'm gonna go as hard and as fast as I can. Hope I don't bust a tire. To the guys watching the Enduro, there was no brake. I stopped, started. See what I mean? That thing's huge going the other way. This way, it's like, boom, and you're gone. Woo! All right, that's a lawnmower. Now let's, before I turn you off, let's hit the pump track one time. Woo! That was fun, guys. And that was a lawnmower to, I don't know. Can't think right now. That wasn't all of the lawnmower. Yeah, buddy. That was fun. All right. Hope you enjoyed. That was lawnmower and the pump track. This is Larryvision. You've either just watched the XC guided tour or the Enduro tour. Either way, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, comment.